How to make characters in Leonardo AI. So first of all, log into your specific Leonardo AI account and then go to video section, or you can go to image section. You can go anywhere because yeah, both are required for making a character, you know. And then after that, you can give prompt. You need to give prompt like I give here hair color red and EY eyes color, I mean eyes color, eyes color, maroon, something like this. And then choose your AI model which you want to use for image generation. Yeah, you can choose the latest one. Yeah, you can choose the one which is image reference and all. Because and once you have chosen that, you can add a reference image. Yeah, you can add a reference image and all. You can look for the quality of the image or video, then see the orientation of the picture. That's all. And special note, note, it's a premium feature. This AI is a premium feature AI. You can use small tools free, I guess, but it's a premium version, premium application. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos like this.